Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Jules Street. Today I am going to be talking about this beautiful baby right here. She is the Croisette bag from Louis Vuitton in the Damier Ebene. And isn't she pretty? I'm going to show you why this is the perfect luxury bag for the fall. And let's go over the details. And I'm also going to show you what fits inside this bag. First of all, as I mentioned before, this is in the Damier Ebene canvas. And it just looks so good on this bag, and it also has some leather trim details like on the lock here, and then this S lock, which you have to just squeeze one side so that it just pops open like that. And of course it has this gorgeous gold hardware here and then on the sides. And in addition to this, it also comes with a brown leather strap like so that you can attach to either side, just like this, so that you can wear this as a crossbody or a handheld. I love the versatility of the bag because it can stand up on its own, and so I actually like to wear it without the crossbody, but if I'm ever on the go, this comes in very handy. However, it is not adjustable. It also came with a removable tassel, but I put that away. I don't quite like how it looks. However, it does lend to a more autumnal or fall kind of feel, so I may put it back. But for now, I'm just hanging out with her just like this, and she's a beauty. So let's take a look at the inside. Like I said, this is the S lock, and you just have to press so that it pops right open. And I really love this detail right here, the gold against this nice leather tab. I think it's so chic. And the inside is this very bright and festive red lining. It is fabric, so I was worried about staining it, but so far it hasn't accrued any kind of wear. I am, however, careful what I put inside the bag, so I just try and make sure nothing's gonna leak. As you can see, the inside of the bag is quite spacious, and then there's also this little inner pocket here. It's very handy for keys, cards, things like that. The bag may look petite, however, it carries a lot of things, and let me show you. I have my glasses here. Love these glasses, by the way, from Masunaga. So I'm putting the case in the bottom of the bag. Just slides right in the bottom there. Then I have my trusty Victorine wallet. I've made an entire dedicated video to this, so be sure to check it out if you haven't already. So pop that in right there, and as you can see, there's still plenty of room for all kinds of things. Next, I'm going to add my keys. Next, I'm going to add this mini Dior lippy, and it's in the iconic 999 shade. Always nice to have a little lipstick touch up. So I'm going to pop that in the little pocket right here. Finally, I have a little travel perfume. This is the Idole Aura from Lancome. It smells so pretty. I'm just going to pop that in here. And as you can see, there is plenty of space for more. I could add hand sanitizer, a mini notebook, a small pencil case. I don't know. I feel like the options are endless with this. There's way more storage than you think there is in this bag, which is one of the reasons why I really like it. Another thing that's great about this bag is that it can also hold a long wallet such as this one. And let me show you how well this fits, just like that. Fits perfectly. There's still some room at the top for more items, like for example, I have like a hand cream that could fit in there too. Not that I would carry this big of a hand cream with me on the go, but still, you get the point that it is a really versatile bag in terms of what you can carry with it. And then you just pop it closed. And I will say that is one of the faults of the bag. It is a little bit difficult to find the little hole to pop it closed. However, when you do, it's not bad. You just have to be careful not to scratch the padlock. I haven't noticed any scratching on mine. As you can see, I still have, the plastic on part of the hardware. Thankfully, I haven't noticed any scratching on mine. But other than that, I am obsessed with how this bag is structured. I think it's so elegant. I mean, look at the sides here. I love how this is folded over like this. And I really love that this bag can stand by itself and how petite it kind of looks. Stitching is nice and neat, and you do see a hint of the red lining on the sides, which I think is a nice touch. And I love the dark brown leather details. They're small, but they're there. Like for example, right here on the padlock, as well as right here on the handle. I think that this leather is so gorgeous. And of course on the sides here as well. And I think it's the perfect bag for the fall. I mean, it glows so well with my sweater here, and I feel like it goes well with all those autumn colors, like the dark green and, you know, the burnt orange, the creams. I just couldn't pick a better luxury bag for the fall. I also love that you can put the strap on this bag and just make it a to-go bag. It is so versatile. I feel like I can use this morning, daytime, nighttime. Very compact, very elegant, very chic, especially for this season. Such a favorite of mine in the fall. So what's your go-to bag in the fall? Let me know in the comments down below, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!